magic! He's in the living room, rubbing himself.
What?
I know, the audacity.
Oh, for goodness sake. Thomas? He's just foam rolling.
I know, it's disgusting. Should be ashamed of himself.
We've been through this. Yes, it's better to work on your flexibility and your strength, but rolling does help some people.
Jenny, there's 24 hours in a day. We sleep 5 hours, boom, 19 left. We wake up, have a coffee, poop, check social media, boom, there's 3 hours gone, 16 left. Then 2 bonus coffees is another 3 hours, walking the dogs is 2 hours, going to work is 3.5 hours, watching our favourite unnamed streaming platform, which we cannot name for legal reasons, is 5 hours, which leaves us 2.5 hours. Then dinner is 1 hour, leaving us only 30 minutes for mobility work. Why would we waste our time massaging yourself? It just masks pain temporarily, and funnily enough, the people that promote it also sell the things. Coincidence? I think not.
It's an hour and a half actually, and you don't even have dogs.
That's not the point. People need to be more efficient with their time if they want to get Flong and Sexible. And do you have any idea how much that stuff all costs? The Simplistic Mobility Method is only a fraction of that. Plus, it's all online and beginner friendly. Hey guys, what's up? My God, he's beautiful. Tall.
What?
What?
Tom's just annoyed because Magic's doing foam rolling instead of SMM.
Oh, I was just coming over to do that with him, but was running late.
See, Jenny? He was just doing it while he was waiting for JP. I swear you make such a scene sometimes.
I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna hit him.
It's okay, Jenny. We all feel the same.
Let's see what all this nonsense is about. Oh. Oh my. Oh. Oh yes. Oh yes. Oh yes. Oh. Oh. It's not what it looks like. I slipped. I fell. Oh.